High above Earth, beyond the reach of ordinary satellites, legends speak of a mysterious object circling our planet. It's been called alien technology, an ancient probe, even evidence of UFOs. This enigma has a name, the Black Knight satellite. But is it truly a visitor from the stars, or just a myth born from human imagination? The origins of the legend. The story begins in the late 19th century, when Nikola Tesla, yes, the famous inventor, claimed he picked up strange signals from space with his radio equipment. Tesla believed these signals might have been coming from intelligent life beyond Earth. Decades later, in the 1920s and 1930s, amateur radio operators also reported unusual transmissions that didn't seem to come from known sources. Some began to speculate, was something or someone watching us from above? The mysterious object in orbit. Fast forward to the 1950s. Newspapers around the world began reporting on a mysterious dark satellite orbiting Earth. This was before Sputnik, before humans had even launched satellites of our own. The Pentagon and NASA both investigated, but gave little public explanation. Conspiracy theorists soon linked these sightings to the idea of the Black Knight, the famous photographs. In 1998, during NASA's STS-88 mission, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour photographed a strange dark object floating in low Earth orbit. The photos, released publicly, went viral. To many, this was undeniable proof of the Black Knight's existence. NASA, however, dismissed the claims, explaining the object was just a piece of space debris, possibly thermal insulation lost during a spacewalk. But for UFO enthusiasts, this explanation was far from convincing. Could it be alien? Some researchers claim the Black Knight could be an ancient probe, perhaps thousands of years old, left in orbit by an extraterrestrial civilization. They argue that its supposed signals could have been attempts to contact humanity. Others suggest it may be related to the mysterious, long-delayed radio echoes recorded by scientists in the 1920s. But here's the question. If it is alien, why is it just sitting there, silently orbiting Earth? The skeptical view. Scientists and skeptics argue that the Black Knight is nothing more than space junk. After all, thousands of pieces of debris circle Earth, discarded rocket parts, dead satellites, and fragments of past missions. The famous NASA photos, when analyzed, indeed resemble a crumpled blanket of thermal shielding. The strange radio signals, likely natural phenomena, not aliens. Why the legend lives on. Despite the evidence against it, the Black Knight story refuses to die. Why? Because it taps into something deeply human, our fascination with the unknown. We want to believe that we're not alone, and the idea that an ancient satellite, perhaps tens of thousands of years old, has been silently orbiting Earth is just too powerful to ignore. Pop culture and modern influence. The Black Knight has been featured in documentaries, books, and countless internet theories. Some connect it to ancient astronauts, others to secret military projects. It even appears in video games and movies, cementing its place in popular culture. In an age where we question everything, the Black Knight stands as a symbol of mystery, wonder, and conspiracy. The final thought. So what is the truth? Is the Black Knight an alien probe, an ancient guardian, or simply a misidentified piece of space debris? We may never know for sure. But one thing is certain. As long as we keep searching the skies, stories like this will continue to inspire wonder, and maybe, just maybe, bring us closer to answers. Right finger subscribe to FactStorm, because mysteries like this are just the beginning.